Beelink GTR9 Pro 395, a powerhouse of performance at an unbeatable price. When it comes to gaming PCs, you don't have to break the bank to get a beast of a machine. The Beelink GTR9 Pro 395 is proof that quality and affordability go hand in hand. Unlike overpriced alternatives that focus on flashy designs and unnecessary bells and whistles, this PC delivers raw processing power at a fraction of the cost. With its Ryzen 9 5900X processor, 16 GB of RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, you're looking at a serious gaming machine. And yet, it's available for significantly less than comparable models from other manufacturers. The Beelink GTR9 Pro 395 is also built with durability in mind. Its compact design means it won't take up valuable space in your gaming setup, while its aluminum chassis ensures that it'll withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. When you're looking for a PC that delivers exceptional performance without the hefty price tag, the Beelink GTR9 Pro 395 is an excellent choice. It's not just a value-for-money proposition, it's a no-compromise solution that will meet your gaming needs and leave you with some spare change in your pocket. In short, if you're tired of overpaying for a gaming PC, the Beelink GTR9 Pro 395 is an absolute steal.